Today, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of these 3 giant boxes and maybe 1 SLG. I'm super excited, and if you'd like to see what these mystery packages are, stay tuned. Hi, I'm Chris from Evelyn James Couture. I'm excited to show you what luxury items I have for you today. Okay, our first box I open, we have our Louis Vuitton dust bag. Oh, look it, I'm so excited. This is my orange lined Agenda PM. It has the koala closure on it. Let me open that up. First of all, I'm not sure if you can see this, but the koala clasp is impeccable. There isn't a single scratch on it, and all of the gold tone is still intact. Look at how fantastic this is. You can tell this is from the secondary market because it says 2006 Agenda. So this is 13 years old, but it is still in great condition. There's some lined paper inside, and look at this cute pen they included. Oh my gosh, I adore this. Of course, it has 3 slots here for credit cards or identification. This is amazing. Oh, what a good piece. I'm gonna set that aside, and we're gonna open this big priority mail box next. My Gucci piece. Let me open this. This is from their kids collection. Look at how fantastic this is. It has a navy blue bottom, navy accent along the top, short little handbag handles. This is from their kids collection. You can see the bird on the front with the same coordinating blue leather, as well as the Gucci fabric here for the body. Look it is in really good condition. Here is the front, the back, and I adore this. I think this is so cute. What a great purchase. Okay, we are gonna move on to this big bad boy. I have taken the time to cover up the addresses of the seller and myself, just for a little bit of privacy. And inside this box, I know what this is. Look at how stunning this is. Look at the condition of this box. You can see the brass is just in great condition. The vachetta handle on the top, bam, is that nice. The coated canvas along the sides with the top stitching is really nice. Look at this coated canvas. We are gonna open it. Just a fantastic storage box. Isn't this adorable? This is a huge happy purchase for me. I have a collection of trunks and a suitcase and a large cosmetic box, and this is gonna fit great right on top of it. I'm gonna set this down and open our very last box. It happens to be our largest box. I think I know what this is. Yay! It's my Retiro bag. I have had this on a payment plan from a secondary market for some time. I paid it off way ahead of the timeline for it. Look at the vachetta with the brass details on the front and the back. We have the same detailing with the brass here and on the handle. Oh my gosh, the brass on here. Look at the strap. Look at the condition of the vachetta. Look at the inside of this bag. Oh my gosh, it has a large compartment, a divided slip pocket on this side, a large slip pocket over here. I think this is gonna hold a ton of stuff for me. I have some great stuff today. I have my Retiro bag, my Gucci little shopping bag. I have my Agenda PM with the amazing orange interior. And let me see, oh, and my box. I'm gonna use it as a jewelry box. So today I am so in love with all my packages. I hope you had a great time. I invite you to subscribe down below and I am so excited to show you more videos. I post every day. So thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow.